Namaste. Welcome to RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. Mathematics, class 9th, polynomials. We are still continuing with the chapter, and today we are going to take some identities. Let us consider the identity number 5, that is the square of a trinomial. Suppose I have a plus b plus c whole square. That means that I am multiplying a plus b plus c by a plus b plus c. To get the product, a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. Of course, it is quite a lengthy one, but this is what we are going to learn, that is identities. We get a square plus ab plus ac plus ab plus b square plus bc plus ac plus bc and plus c square. To sum it up, we get a square plus b square plus c square, ab plus ab 2ab, bc plus bc 2bc, and AC plus AC is 2AC. This is our identity number 5. Suppose I have a polynomial a plus b plus c to be multiplied with the same polynomial, that is a plus b plus c whole square. I do not have to go through all this lengthy procedure. I can simply come to this result, and this is what is called identity. The shorter way, the simpler way of multiplying or squaring a trinomial. Let us see some applications of the identity number 5. Suppose I have x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Now, I need not multiply the trinomial by the trinomial, but simply get this result. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into a into c. To get the product, x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 2 2s are 4 into xy, 4xy plus 4 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16, yz plus 2 4s are 8, xz. And that is our end result. Furthermore, if we have a polynomial where one or two of the terms are negative. Now, how do we proceed with such questions? Let's see. However, when one of the terms is negative, now how do we go about it? Do we learn another identity when one of the terms is negative, then another identity when two of the terms is negative, or when A and C are negative? That becomes a very lengthy procedure. No, we will go for only a single identity, a plus b plus c whole square. However, whenever we are getting this term b, we will be writing the actual negative value of this term. So let's see how. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b. See, when b came, I wrote minus y plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into a into c. To get 4x square, square of a number is always positive, so z square, positive into negative, negative 4xy plus into minus is minus 2yz plus 4xz. And similarly, you can go ahead with doing all the different questions where one or more terms are negative. Now the next step comes in the question number 5, the factorization of such polynomials. How do we go about this? Let me consider this particular polynomial to show you how I'm going to factorize it. That is, we are going to use the identity in the other way round. First we were finding the product. Now we are going to resolve this into factors. Now let's start from here. Suppose this is our polynomial that is going to be factorized. So what do I write? First I bring these 6 terms in this form. After that I use the identity. But before that, since there are some negative terms here, I must establish in my mind what exactly is the negative term. Here I knew that the second term is negative. But from this polynomial, how do I come to know? That is one question. Alright, let's see these two negative terms. Minus 4xy and minus 2yz. Clearly, the variable y is common, indicating that my second term y is negative. So, first of all, let me write this in this form, that is 2x whole square, because 2x whole square is 4x square plus y square. I will write minus y square because my negative term is y, that is the second term, and then z square plus because the identity says positive, 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into a into c. Let's check. 4x square, y square, z square, plus into minus, minus 4xy, plus into minus, minus 2yz, 2 to the 4xz. So for a square plus b square plus c square, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, if I can write a plus b plus c whole square, then for these terms, I can write a minus b plus c whole square. And then it is factorized. Moving on further, let us understand the identity number 6 and 7. The cube of a binomial. Suppose I have a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Then I can write this as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Like I have shown you in the previous identity, that you can reach to this identity by actually multiplying a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. But then, since we know the identity, we can come right to the answer. And this can be expanded further as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And this first term remains negative, positive, rest all the terms are negative. And by expanding it, I get a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab squares. So this is our identity number 6 and this is identity number 7. And let's take some questions on these identities. Suppose I have 2x plus 3y whole cube. So I can simply write this identity here. A cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b bracket a plus b. To expand the bracket, we get 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 2 3s are 6 3s are 18 2xy bracket 2x plus 3y. And then we will open this bracket to get 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Now here, suppose we have a minus b whole cube. So we will simply change these signs here. For example, if this is negative, then I write this as negative, this as negative, and this as negative, and then open the brackets. To get the result like this, by using the identity number 7. Now, these identities are very useful for certain multiplications also. Suppose you have to find the cube of 99, but you are not going to multiply actually. So, we can use this as an identity. Say I can write this as 100 minus 1 whole cube. That means a minus b whole cube. That means a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b bracket a minus b. 100 cube is 1000000 minus 1 minus 300 into 100 minus 1 is 1000000 minus 1, 300 into 100 is minus 30,000, and minus into minus is plus 300. Now these two are positive terms, so I add them up. And these two are the negative terms, I add them up. And then I go for subtraction. To get the answer 970,299. This is how these identity can be used. Thank you very much.